Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to block someone from TikTok or block someone's account from TikTok so that they do not appear to you or their videos do not appear to you. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. I would like to thank everyone who supports me. Thank you very much from the heart. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your TikTok account and then search for the person you want to block. After that, for example, I will block this person. After that, click on his profile icon, then enter his personal account. Then we will find the share arrow, or this arrow here. We click on it. After that, we find the word block at the bottom. We click on block, then we click on block or agree here, and you will be able to block permanently. It is a very simple method. All you have to do and follow it. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.